So you've landed on the Pelvis and Spine Biomechanics workshop page. This short clip is going to explain a little bit about what you're going to get across these 3 days. It's very practical. There's no exams. There's no pressure, no hierarchy of knowledge. It's all about learning together. This is a fantastic start point for anyone, whether you're a Pilates teacher, personal trainer, or a manual therapist. This is a fantastic 3 days and there's a great bunch of content in here. So, are you wondering why your clients squat the way they do? Maybe you've seen their butt winking when they're squatting down. Maybe they struggle with the roll down, they feel a little bit stiff. Or maybe they're complaining about sore knees and you're a bit worried about what exercises to give them. Maybe you're wondering if the core training you're giving them is actually the thing that's making their back worse. And you feel nervous about prescribing exercises. Don't panic. This 3-day workshop is perfect for you. So what you're going to get is a whole series of pelvis function screens or tests. So you'll be able to fully assess your client, both passive and active, so lying down and standing, to understand how well or not their pelvis is working, and also how that might affect their body both up and down, or ascending and descending through their biomechanics. Now each test comes with a relevant exercise, and the exercises come from muscle energy techniques, there are strength training, there's antagonist work. It's all based on evidence and the logic of how the body works. In the spine biomechanics section of this 3-day workshop, we're going to teach you how to assess spine mobility, neural tension. We're also going to take you through the core training periodization or progressions on a neuromuscular periodization plan. That's really great. There's also, from McGill's work, the core ratio testing section, isometric core ratios, which is great to understand flexion via extension, right to left side, whether their ratios might be putting them at risk. Finally, we've got the functional stability screens, which are really great, understanding when they're squatting, what their spine is doing and what it's telling us. Once again, in this section, the spine series has all the relevant exercises. There are loads, there's an awesome amount of exercises in this section. So the pelvis and spine biomechanics module is my favorite to start with. You've got so much content in here that you can go and you can work with. We don't expect anything after this workshop from you other than practice and stay in touch.